Good evening, and thank you for choosing Marion High School. My name is Linda Robinson, and I'm the secretary to Mr. Paul Johnston, principal of Marion High School. Thank you for being patient with us as we prepare for our virtual learning. Please call the Marion High School office at 870-739-5130 with any questions concerning lunch applications, senior pictures, and any school-related issues. Thank you as we prepare.
Good evening. I'm Trakina Thomas, Secretary of Marion High School.
I'm Melissa Russell, Secretary at Marion High School.
Hi, Virtual Patriots. I'm Ms. Hall. I'm the School Improvement Specialist here at Marion High School. I want to talk to you a little bit about what you can expect virtually online this semester. Your Marion High School teachers will be contacting you and communicating with you primarily through Google Classroom. At this time, you need to make sure that you can get into your school email account at msd3.org. If you need help getting into that account, you can call the Marion High School office here at 870-739-5130. Your teachers will be posting in Google Classroom, and you'll get invitations to those classrooms through your school email account. Once the teachers are doing that, you need to be sure to check that email account and those Google Classrooms every day. They'll give you due dates for those assignments, but not all of your coursework will be due on the same day. Be sure to check your HACK account as well, and if you need help logging into that, you can also call the MHS office for help. Thanks, and go Patriots.
Hi, I'm Anna Rawls, and I'm the business person for Marion High School.
I'm Irvin Clay, Dean of Students at Marion High School.
Good afternoon, I'm Keith Houston, Dean of Students and Head Football Coach.
Hello, we are the high school counselors. My name is Melissa Cole, and I serve students whose last name starts with A through G.
And I'm Pam Parkman, and I serve students whose last names start with H through O.
And I'm Katie Burleson, and I serve students that have last names with P through Z.
Hi, I'm Jonathan CRYMES, Assistant Principal, Marion High School.
Hello everyone, my name is Ms. Turner and I'm your Assistant Principal. I am so excited about the upcoming school year. I hope you are too. This school year will bring about a change, one that we've never seen before. However, I know this school year will be just as successful as the years previously. I look forward to meeting each and every one of you, and I bid you all a safe and prosperous school year. Go Patriots!
Welcome, I'm Paul Johnston, Marion High School Principal. I pray and hope all of you are doing well. I miss each and every one of you. Virtual students and parents, please check the MHS Facebook or the website for instruction for picking up devices. You will be responsible for all work assigned, and you must complete all assignments on time. Check your email and HACK on a daily basis for updates and information. Please, if you have any questions or concerns, please contact the Marion High School office at 870-739-5130.
Hi, my name is Paula Kraft. I teach lifespan development, family and consumer science, and dynamics of human relationships.
Hi, I'm Miss Dent. I teach personal finance and family and consumer science.
Hi, I'm Mr. Jordan McBride, and I teach Algebra 2.
Hi, I'm Mr. Burgess, and I teach geometry.
Hi, I'm Dana Barlow, and I teach Honors Algebra 2 and Algebra 2.
Hi, I'm Mrs. McFarland. I teach AP Statistics, AP Calculus, and Pre-Calculus.
Hi, I'm Coach Gray, and I teach Computer Science 1 and 2 and AP Computer Science Principles, and also am the head softball coach.
Hola, soy señora Ledesma y enseño español.
Hola, mi nombre es Miss Price y enseño español.
Bonjour, I'm Amanda Rich and I teach French.
My name is Tim again. I'm the head coach for girls and boys golf. I also teach U.S. history and U.S. government.
Hi, I'm Courtney Rawls and I teach AP U.S. history, AP government, and regular U.S.
Hi, my name is Coach Brown. I'll be doing Play-Doh this year.
Hi, I'm Coach David Clark. I'm the head men's basketball coach here at Marion High School. I teach health and physical education.
Hi, I'm Coach Cook. I teach world history, economics, and civics, and I coach cross country and track.
Hi, my name is RAINEY. I teach World History, AP World History, and European History.
Hey everyone, my name is Coach Johnson here at Marion High School. I'm a 10th grade World History teacher and I'm also a high school football coach.
Hey, I'm Coach Coveney. I teach U.S. History and Geography and I coach football and baseball.
Hey, I'm Zach Marsh and I teach special education.
I'm Coach Long and I teach special ed.
Hi, I'm Trisha Lackey and I'm Coach Long's assistant.
Hi, I'm Miss Kathy and I'm Coach Long's assistant.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Faust. I teach 10th grade English, Honors English, and Critical Reading.
Hi, I'm Brooke Copeland and I teach 11th to 12th grade English.
My name is Lauren Brinkley. I teach Critical Reading and I'm the varsity cheerleading coach.
Hi, my name is SUZANNA Thompson. I teach AP English Language and English 11.
Hello, my name is Mr. CRYMES. I teach AP Literature and Composition and 12th grade English.
Hey, I'm Miss Monteverde and I teach 10th and 11th grade English.
Hi, my name is Shelby Langley and I teach transition here at the high school.
Hi, my name is Anna Ganong and I teach geometry.
Hi, I'm Mr. Morrison. I am the school's robotics team sponsor. I teach Algebra 3 and Quantitative Literacy.
Hello, I'm Coach Thornton. I teach Algebra 1 and Bridge Algebra 2.
Hi, I'm Mr. West. I teach Honors Biology 10 and Cybersecurity.
My name is Patrick Davis and I teach Construction Technology.
Hi, my name is Coach Prater. I teach driver's ed here at the high school and also coach baseball.
Hey, I'm Coach Pasley. I teach life fitness and nutrition.
Hi, my name is Patty Castle. I teach the Medical Professions program.
Hi, I'm Doug Conwell and I teach choir and piano.
Hi, I'm Montana McCoy and I teach theater.
Hi, I'm Jenny West. I teach JAG, or Jobs for Arkansas Graduates.
Hi, I'm Ashley Westerman and I teach Market Analytics, Digital Sales and Marketing, Oral Communication. I'm the Yearbook Advisor and I'm the head girls tennis coach and the assistant girls soccer coach.
Hi, I'm Kaylee Taylor. I teach special education.
Hi, I'm Nancy Sparks and I teach 10th and 11th grade special education.
Hi, I'm Colin Jo Thornton and I teach math.
Hi, I'm Sarah Horn and I teach biology.
Hello, I'm Carolyn Reynolds. I teach accounting year 1 and 2, business management, and the FBLA advisor.
Hi, I'm Asha Foster. I teach BAP Chemistry, and Physics.
Hi, I'm Brandi Banks and I teach special education.
Hi, I'm Whitney Taylor. I teach anatomy and physiology, AP biology, and environmental science.
Hi, I'm Jody Duncan and I teach biology. I'm Christy Carter and I teach language arts.
Hi, I'm Coach Ronaldo Clay and I teach survey of business and work written.
Hi, I'm Jacqueline Hancock. I teach integrated chemistry, physical science, and environmental science.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Evans. I am the ISS facilitator.
Hi, I'm Coach Shunda Johnson. I teach environmental science and I'm a head girls basketball coach.
Hi, I'm Patricia Rebick. I teach AP Psychology, Journalism, and Sociology.
My name is Miss Barnes, and I teach 10th and 11th grade special ed.
Hi, I'm Miss Rippard, and I teach Art 1, 2, and 3 and AP Studio Art.